Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix boot error code inaccessible boot device. Boot Windows 10 USB or CD. Click Next. Click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type C:\. Type CD space, Windows. Type CD space, System32. Type bootrec space, /fix_mbr. Type bootrec space, /fixboot. If any errors, use following command. Type bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootrec /fixboot. Type attrib space, C:\boot /BCD space, -h space, -r space, -s. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Select your bootable disk. Click list space volume. Bootable volume is less than 500 MB and FAT32 file system. Type select space, vol space, 2. Type assign space, letter =sign $. Type list space, volume. Type select space, vol space, 2. Type forum space, fs =sign FAT32 space, override. Type exit, exit from disk part. Type BCD boot space, C:\Windows space, /s space, v:\, space, /f space, UEFI. Type exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.